Could India's smart meter stocks be the next big trend waiting to take off? Today we're zooming into this fast charging sector that's sparking buzz among investors. With skyrocketing growth and game-changing potential, smart metering is reshaping India's energy landscape. And the stocks behind it might just be your next big opportunity. Let's unpack the trends, the players, and the numbers driving this electrifying space. The smart metering market is expanding at an impressive pace, propelled by successful pilot projects that have delivered strong results for stakeholders. This has led to a sharp rise in installations. By October 2024, 14.5 million smart meters were in place, with 222 million sanctioned. In 2022-23 alone, 4.8 million units were installed, 3 times the previous year's total. What sets smart meters apart is their ability to offer remote reading, accurate billing, and real-time data monitoring, creating value for both consumers and providers like the Indian government. Utilities benefit from improved grid management, demand regulation, and fault detection, while consumers can track usage live and tap into cost-saving options like time-of-day pricing. Valued in the millions of US dollars in 2023, India's smart meter market is projected to reach 2,823 million by 2032, with a remarkable 33.3% compound annual growth rate. This growth signals significant potential for companies in this space. A key driver is the government's focus on energy efficiency, underscored by initiatives like the Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme, RDSS, which aims to replace 250 million traditional meters with smart ones by 2025. Breaking it down by trends, smart electricity meters dominate demand, given electricity's universal application. Advanced metering infrastructure leads as the primary technology, and the residential sector is the largest end user, fueled by rising awareness and cost benefits. Regionally, North India, particularly states like Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and Rajasthan, takes the lead. This overview is compact, but further details on government schemes and the sector's trajectory are readily available online. The smart metering space is buzzing with activity, spanning small-cap innovators to large-scale players. For instance, some firms have seen explosive growth in recent years. Think 8 to 10 times their value, though they've also faced corrections of 30 to 40% in recent market dips. Take a small-cap example. One player started by supplying components to bigger firms that assemble and sell smart meters. Recently, it shifted gears, producing its own meters and aiming for full integration, from parts to final products. After securing initial orders, more followed. Founded decades ago, this firm now exports to dozens of countries, pulling in a chunky share of revenue from overseas in 2024. Earlier this year, it launched a new facility with a capacity of millions of units annually, expandable even further, using in-house sourcing to cut costs and boost quality. A smart move in manufacturing. Mid-2024 saw trial production kick off post-certification, with orders rolling in. Its goal? Ramp up production this year and target tens of millions of units over the next 5 years. The smart metering sector offers substantial opportunities thanks to RDSS-driven government support, tenders, and AI/ML integration for analytics and grid efficiency. Real-time data enhances energy conservation decisions. But it's not all smooth sailing. Challenges include high initial costs, especially in rural areas, lack of standardization in this emerging field, cybersecurity risks from outdated IT systems, geopolitical export pressures, like recent US tariff concerns, and rising raw material costs, e.g. copper, that squeeze margins. Competition is heating up, with a mix of global giants and homegrown innovators, like with players like Honeywell, Siemens, Schneider Electric, Tata Power, Genus Power, HPL Electric, and Sulzer in the mix vying for dominance. Some stand out with cost efficiency, customization, strong client networks, and global reach, bolstered by end-to-end operations. Looking ahead, India's smart metering sector is primed for transformation. Government mandates and consumer demand are accelerating growth, while utilities shift to smart distribution for reliability, fewer outages, and renewable energy integration. Companies are carving out their space in this fast-evolving market, navigating its hurdles along the way. This analysis highlights one example, but the sector is packed with players worth watching. Digging into specifics reveals opportunities and risks beyond broad trends. The smart metering arena is brimming with possibilities, often missed without insight into its direction, government priorities, and key movers. That understanding is critical for spotting the next trend. What are your thoughts on this sector? Drop them below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on investing, finance, and market trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.